team here. Let's talk about one of the biggest reasons assets don't sell: bad photos. In this video, I'll show you what good photo capturing looks like when adding your asset in ARS. Every listing needs at least 6 clear photos. 3 might be the minimum, but it's not enough to attract serious buyers. 6 solid shots should be your standard, and for large machines or mixed lots, you can upload up to 30. The more visual info you provide, the more attention your listing gets. Start with 2 or 4 full shots of the machine from different angles: front, side, back, and one slightly elevated if possible. Then take a close-up of the nameplate, showing OEM, model, year, and serial number. Ensure that every detail is clearly readable. Next, capture key components, accessories, or upgrades that add value. If there's damage or wear, show it clearly. Buyers appreciate honesty and transparency. For fleet units, include interior shots like dashboard seats and the odometer. For machinery, add cabinet or work area shots so buyers can see the internal condition. Now, a few quick don'ts. Don't upload blurry or cropped photos. Don't include clutter or other machines in frame. Keep focus on your asset. Watch out for glare or shadows on the nameplate. It makes the text unreadable. And don't forget internal shots. Key tip: if you can't read the plate, neither can the buyer. Lighting can make or break your photos. Skip your phone's flash. It causes glare and harsh reflections. Use soft light instead. Natural daylight or a portable LED panel works best. Avoid standing in front of a window, since backlight will turn your asset into a silhouette. When shooting shiny or chrome parts, adjust your angle slightly to reduce glare. For nameplates, tap on the lower part of your screen to focus and lower exposure. It'll bring the text into perfect clarity. Here's a quick recap: 6 or more clean photos, full shots, nameplate, and detailed views. Show wear honestly. Avoid glare, clutter, and blurry framing. Follow these steps, and your listing will look professional, trustworthy, and ready to sell. That's it for photo capturing. Next up, we'll cover how to record short operational videos that prove your asset works and help boost your sales performance even more.